What a time.
What a time. Incredible.
Yeah. We are looking ahead to Sunday. That rain, if you had a little rain in your neighborhood, hopefully is making its way out.
Should be out of here by the early part of tomorrow. I wouldn't rule out a sprinkle for the early part before the sun comes up tomorrow of Sunday. But after that, it's really just how quickly can we get the clouds out of here? How fast will they be able to exit and hope to break into some sunshine? Now, clouds are going to be key to the forecast overnight as well. Take a look at the temperatures. Most of you are into the mid-40s right now, but there are a few spots where the clouds have started to clear a bit, and it's allowed your temperatures to really cool down. Winds have gone to calm almost completely for almost all locations. As long as those clouds move out of here, I think they're going to stay in place from Indy points to the south and maybe over to Richmond. But as long as those are in place, it's like having a blanket on the bed at night. Keeps you a little bit warmer. Where the clouds are starting to clear out a bit, it's allowing the temperatures to drop. We think more of that's going to be happening through the overnight, but it may linger for a few locations. Keep in mind, you fall back tonight, overnight tonight, technically at 2 a.m., but whenever you want to do that before you head to bed or when you wake up in the morning. Temperatures are likely going to be in the 30s, only going into the mid-50s tomorrow. But keep in mind, sunset today was at 6:42. The sunset tomorrow will be at 5:41. So it's going to be quite a difference for tomorrow afternoon. We have to also kind of readjust our meteorological thinking of when our peak heating of the day is because we've adjusted the clock. So we'll keep that in mind for the forecast tomorrow. Starting in the 30s, there's some of the clouds still lingering, but by midday, I think if you're north and west of Indy, you're going to have sunshine. If you're Indian points to the east, the clouds may be a bit stubborn until we get into the afternoon. And again, keep in mind the sun's setting a little bit earlier here, so we may run out of sunshine before we get those clouds to clear out of you for many of you. On Monday, we may start with a few passing clouds, but I'm expecting Monday to be almost sunshine the entire day for almost all of you. Because of that, even though we will start out in the 30s, we should be able to make it up to 60 degrees by the afternoon. Now, just barely for Monday, but I think this pattern of clear skies is going to last with us probably through Thursday. Sunshine, high pressure in control, clear skies means that we're going to be able to see cold temperatures in the early morning, but by the afternoon, look at this, 60 for Monday, 63 for Tuesday, and 65 for Wednesday. We see the temperatures come down just a bit as we look to Thursday. That's a sign of the next system that's on the way. That one will keep us sunny for Thursday, but brings in more clouds as we get into Friday. That could bring us a chance of rain. Right now, we'll leave that chance at about 40%. We'll carry that over into your Saturday, but the high temperatures after tomorrow should stay in the 60-degree range all the way through next weekend.